So in this class, you guys are going to be typing up all your lab reports. And so that's going to also include you guys actually showing the work, the math that you did. And so what I see a lot of students do when they're trying to divide on a computer, they kind of freak out and they're like, okay, I'll just put it like this, right? So this would be my density. I don't want to see it like this because that's not how you write it on paper. And so I'm going to show you really quickly how to properly write it. So I'm in Word. If you use Word online, I'm sure it'll look something like this. That being said, if it doesn't, you guys all have access to be able to download Word onto your computers. That is a gift that the school gave you. So if you haven't done that already, please, 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 please do that now, okay? And if you can't, go and talk to IT and have them help you, okay? Now I'm going to hit Insert, okay? And I'm going to insert an equation. And you can see from this, there are a ton of different options. But what I want is a fraction. And I want it to look like this because that's how I write it. And so instead of 4.5 / 12 mils, I'm going to write 4.5 grams. And on the bottom, I'm going to write 12 mils. All right? The other thing that you might have to do eventually is what if, for example, this wasn't milliliters, what if it were centimeters cubed? So the way that you cube something is you're going to use this little exponent right here, and you can cube it. Or if you want to do a subscript, which I'll show you, you'll need to do soon, you do a subscript like that by hitting the subscript. All right. The only issue with this equation, if you notice, if I wanted to cube something in this equation, that isn't an option anymore. And so that's the only real limitation to using equation. And so what I do in that situation, I just do a little caret, and then I would hit 3. And so that shows that I'm raising my centimeters to the third. All right. So I don't want to see this ever in my class. You now have watched a video and now know how to actually create an equation. If you have questions, come on in and I can help you more.